Blue succulents are calming and stylish. Soft, powder blue to blue-green tones found in agave, echeveria, pachyphytum, sedum, and hybrids. Some blue succulents get a soft, pastel appearance from a natural wax that coats their leaves. This powdery finish is called farina. 1. Agave potatorum, butterfly agave. 2. Agave tequilana, blue agave. 3. Aloe blue elf. 4. Aloe blue sky. 5. Blue torch cactus. 6. Myrtio blue candle cactus. 7. Corpuscularia lemanii, ice plant. 8. Dudleya anthony. 9. Dudleya britton. 10. Echeveria atlantis. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.